Another headache-inducing performance by the Reggae Boyz at the National Stadium last night. Again, with scratch and scrape. This time a draw against Haiti. And look, two important interrelated issues are beginning to come to the fore. The effectiveness of our highly paid foreign coach, Jaime Hallgrimsson. It's safe to say the honeymoon is over for this coach. We've seen enough games with this talented group of players for when things not going right and the team not playing well and we're not winning. We can start call out the coach. The reason why a foreign coach is being paid millions of dollars is to get the team playing better football and to get better results. None of that is happening right now. There are too many simple football things we're not getting right. Team selection, player selection, in-game tactical adjustments, simply looking like an organized football team. Yes. And again, World Cup qualification is the ultimate goal. So we're not calling for the coach to go. But can he fix these problems? We need to know.